Yo, welcome. My name is David Oisamuje. I'm the founder and owner of What a T-shirt Design. If you are just joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome. Thanks for clicking through. Did you enjoy my top line? Let's make this design together. If you've been with me, you've been following me since day one, I would just want to show my appreciation. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. In today's video, we are going into Photoshop. Yeah, I listened to your comments. Your comments are good. So today I'm going to be making a t-shirt design in Photoshop, and if you guys watch to the very end, make this video popular, I'll keep doing more Photoshop design tutorial. Photoshop gives you the opportunity, gives you the freedom to create more. So let's make a t-shirt design video. Please, I want to advise you straight from the beginning, don't click off. Please don't click off. Every step is important. It is a design. It is not a comedy video. It is a design, and these designs are going to be used by you to make money. Yes, we all want to make money, so without wasting much of your time, let's go straight right into it. So I'm going to be opening my Photoshop, which is the very first step. I'm opening my Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC. As you can see, this is my favorite. Photoshop CC is always my favorite. So the first step is to go over to File and New. The standard is 4500 by 5400. I used 300 here to get high quality. I can leave every other thing the way it is for now. I'll just press OK. Should create this. Now the next stage is for us to double tap on this padlock pop-up, and there you go. Press OK, and now we can put that off when we want to. That's at the end of the design. Now we'll go over to a site which I love to use. You guys already know that site is called Flat Icons. Flat Icon is my go-to site for elements, for designs, for shapes. I put one or two shapes together to create unique designs, and that is what you guys want to always do to stand out. Always want to do that to stand out. You can see it's a paid site, but you get free elements you can use, and when you use those elements, make sure you give credit. It's super easy. Just make sure you give credit in your descriptions, in your designs page. Just make sure you give them credit. So the first design we're going to be looking for is our cats. We all love cats. Majority love cats. I love dogs more. If you know you love dogs more, let me know in the comment section. I know people who love the two, but I love dogs more. So let me just know down in the comments which you love more. So now we'll just look for a good cat. As you can see, I would have used this, but it's a paid icon, the paid element. So just find one which is not paid and just use. I've used this in the past. So let me just look for something. Let me look for something fancy. It seems like almost all the cats, the fine ones, are paid ones. So let's just keep going. Let's keep going to find one that is kind of fun to use. We hope we find one soon. So it's super easy. Let's hope we find one soon. So keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. So this would have been, let's see what this, okay, we can use this for our design. So I'll just click on PNG. Remember this design is by Smash Icon, so always remember to give credit. So we'll download this. That is downloaded. So now we'll go back and find the second one, which is coffee cup. We all love coffee, don't you? If you don't love coffee, you love tea. If you don't love tea, you love the beers. We just love something. So now with this, we just find the coffee cup. Let's find a coffee cup. So I'm gonna be using, let me see if I can find orders. You can find other coffee cups. Don't click off, don't click off. You're gonna love this design, I promise you. So I'm gonna use this. Designs are not complicated, just make sure you have the idea. Make sure you have the idea in mind. Let's download this. This is by Morej. Yep, hope I pronounce it correctly, but if I don't, this is the owner. So just click on this download. So we have that now. So now we'll start with the coffee cup. We're done with this, we don't need this anymore, so just close that. Now we'll go to the coffee cup, show folder, and this is it. So all we have to do is take it into Photoshop. Boom. Now we have it into Photoshop. We just increase. To increase, we press down 3 buttons: our Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse click button, and we drag our mouse outward. So now we have that. So just move it a little and we press enter. So now we have that. Now we're going to do something. We're going to cut off this top. So to do that, we're going to vectorize this layer. So you over your mouse to this edge, you right click, vectorize layer. Done that. Now we're going to cut that off. So just bring in a shape. To do that, you do Ctrl+R to get this your roller out. Now come to this and you just cut out. We don't need the cover, we need it open. We're gonna drink coffee with our cats. So now that that is out of the way, once I labeled it, I just deleted that, so we have that out of the way. Take this out for now. So now we'll go back and bring in our cat, show folder. This is our chubby cat. We're gonna take it into our design and just bring it here. As you can see, our chubby cat. So just increase this like the way I showed you in the beginning. You over your mouse to this edge, 3 buttons: your Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse click button. Make sure you're pressing them down together, then you drag outwards to increase. So now we have our cat. So press enter. So I'll just bring this backwards, just shifting it under this layer. So we have that under the layer. So now we don't need to cut that, we already have our cat. So all we have to do now is to save this. As you can see, it just took us about 8 minutes. It's not complicated. Your design should never, I mean never, be complicated. We just move this to the middle. Your design should never be complicated. So now that we have this all set in the middle, remember what I told you in the beginning, we're going to put up this layer. And now we are just left with our cat. So left with our cat. Now we just save that. Cat and coffee. Save it. Save as pictures. Cat and coffee. So we'll save it as PNG. We'll save it as PSD first, so that if you just in case want to come back in the future to change our designs, we can do that. So we'll save it as that, then we'll save it as PNG because we don't want the white background. If you save it as JPEG, you're going to have the white background, so you save it as PNG because you want to be able to upload it on different designs. So you just save it as PNG, save. If you are still watching me, I want to say thank you very much. You guys are amazing. We are close to the final step. The final step is to put on a 3D mockup. 3D mockup sell faster and better than any other mockup, so you always want to put it on a 3D mockup so that you can advertise on sites like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. You just find influencers who love cats, who love coffee, and just advertise all there together. So now let's go to make sure we have it all set. Let's go to pictures, cats and coffee. So this is it. You can see our design is there. So now we just move it over to our 3D mockup. So let's go get our 3D mockup. If you've been following my channel, you know I love this 3D mockup, the anger mockup. I love my anger mockup. It's super easy. As you can see, this was my design from yesterday. So now all you have to do is to go over to where you say your design here, you double tap, delete that, and you bring in, we'll bring in our cut. So this is it. So we'll just bring it into this space, drag it in. It's not super difficult to make these designs. You just have to be creative, think a little, and in 10 minutes to 15 minutes your design should be ready. So now we have this, so just press enter, and now we'll go to file and save. And if we go back to our shirt, we have it on our shirt. As you can see, it's quite high, so I'll just bring it here. So I want it on a white shirt, so we just do that. You get it on a white shirt. But if you don't want it on a white shirt, we can just, tap on this box and just change the colors, play around with the colors, and just get something fancy. So with this, I'll just leave it on the pink shirt. We just move it around. You can see now our design is on our shirt. So we now save this. Save this. We're gonna save us. We're gonna save it as go to pictures, cuts, and coffee. And save it as PNG because this is the one we want to send out to our influencers on Instagram, Pinterest, and the rest. So just save it. And here you go, your design is ready. To your left, you see the playlist. Please check the playlist, make sure you watch it. You will always enjoy the video. If you watch at least 10, you should be super good to go. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. One love. Stay blessed.